in this young, beautiful, and vibrant land, Jingjiang, Jiangsu, in the hinterlands of the Yangtze River Delta. Witness the erecting of a large modern steel company. CITIC, Pacific Special Steel Holdings, Jingjiang Special Steel Company Limited. Founded in 1958 and formerly known as Wuxi Steel Factory. It joined CITIC Pacific Special Steel Holdings in June 2018. Jingjiang Special Steel, occupying over 2 million square meters, owning more than 1,000 employees. It mainly produces two series of products, seamless steel pipes and special steel bars, with high quality, high value, and high technology. It owns the annual capacity for 1 million tons of steel making, 600,000 tons of seamless steel pipes, and 700,000 tons of round bars. Relying on the golden waterway of the Yangtze River, Jingjiang Special Steel owns an inland river wharf close to the river and sea, giving it convenient land and water transit and excellent geographical location. Advanced manufacturing equipment. Jingjiang Special Steel has the state-of-the-art technologies and the latest equipment all over the world, including a 100-ton ultra-high power electric steelmaking furnace from Danieli, Italy, an arc continuous spare and round billet production line, and 11 stands semi-continuous hot rolling alloy round bar production line, and a Phi 100 ASSEL 3-roller hot rolling production line, and a Phi 258 PQF 3-roller hot rolling production line from SMS Mir, Germany, representing the most advanced technology for seamless steel pipe production currently. And 2 heat treatment lines for steel pipes and 4 threading lines for OCTG. Complete product specification. With more than 60 years of production and service experience, Jingjiang Special Steel has consistently promoted professional, high-end, and specialized products. Main steel pipe types including OCTG, line pipe, gas cylinder pipe, mechanical pipe, boiler pipe, fluid pipe, and self-developed premium connection OCTG, and non-API series OCTG applied in special environments, including anti-hydrogen sulfide corrosion casing, high collapse resistant and high crush resistant casing, high strength and high toughness deep oil weld casing, thermal heavy oil production casing, round bar, bearing steel, ball steel, stainless steel, tool and mold steel, alloy steel, quality carbon steel, spring steel, anchor steel, etc. The products of Jingjiang Special Steel win excellent reputation in different industry, including petroleum, boiler, chemical, machinery, automobiles, and engineering. Our products sell well inside China and export more than 30 countries and regions. We have won high praise from top 500 enterprises such as CNPC, Sinopec, and CNOOC, and others. Quality Assurance System. Jingjiang Special Steel adopts the management conception of combining production, studying, research, application, study, research, and application in its management. We have a whole process quality monitoring and inspection system, from raw materials to the finished product. Our product's quality reaches the advanced level all over the world. Jingjiang Special Steel has been certified by the ISO Quality Management System. API 5CT, and API 5L. EUPED AD2000 CPD. The American Bureau of Shipping ABS. The French Bureau Veritas BV. The Norwegian Det Norsk Veritas DNV. The National Special Equipment Manufacturing License and the Bearing Steel Production License certification. Jingjiang Special keeps pursuing continuous improvement, awarded multiple prize of quality management. Our products have won the National Silver Award, Golden Cup Award for physical quality, and the Golden Bull Award in Jiangsu Province. Our seamless steel pipes and alloy round bars have won the title of famous Jiangsu Province products many times. We focus equally on production and environmental protection. We adhere to a development policy of clean production, energy conservation, and environmental protection to create healthy and safe environment and become a green environmental enterprise. Jingjiang Special insists the people-oriented principle, bolding corporate culture, striving for providing all employee good platform, realizing employees and enterprises growing together, and harmonious development with people-oriented management. We are building our corporate culture and setting up a growth platform for each employee to realize joint growth and harmonious development together with the company. Starting from a high point and seeking new development, upholding the core values of sincerity, innovation, efficiency, transcendence, and integration, and aiming to establish the most competitive special steel group in the world. Jingjiang Special Steel creates its brand from high quality and reach harmonious win-win cooperation with the best service.